Good day, good listeners. You are welcome to St. Pius Foundation and to our SPF Life Coach Services. We are glad to see you today. We are happy to be with you today, even with the Valentine's season and in the air. This morning we are going to be discussing what I call making the right choice. Making the right choices in life. What choice are you making today? You woke up this morning. Is your choice to be successful, or is your choice for you to fail? We must be ready at all times to make our choice in life. Many neurologists, many psychologists have come up with the fact that the brain is usually wired to keep more of negative news. Are you going to relax and make that choice of being negative at all times? I encourage you this day for you to make the right choice. Choice to be successful depends on you. You want to climb to the highest ladder of success. Don't wait for any person. Do it yourself. I'm encouraging you right now to make the choice by making a decision. And the first decision you are making could be decision to make it in life. And when you are making a decision, you must ensure that procrastination, delay, unnecessary postponement are not part of your gene anymore. One thing we fail to understand is that we are not the one who are failures. We are not the one who are procrastinating. We are not the one who are delaying. It's the habit in us that is causing all this. We must stop putting our life in an autopilot system and start taking decision. Autopilot, you wake up in the morning, you eat your food, you wait for nothing. Why are you going to make decision? I encourage you, make the right choice today. For you to be successful in life, you must be ready to leave your comfort zone. Comfort zone, your moment of enjoyment. All the people in this world that are made today, they left their comfort zone. That is why they are comfortable today. For you to be successful in life, you must leave your comfort zone so that you'll be comfortable to enjoy your life better. There's no doubt that the world is full of stress. There's no doubt that the world is full of tribulation. But I encourage today, choose positivity. How can you be positive? By associating with people who are positive. By associating with positive-minded people, by ensuring that you close your ear against any bad news and you focus on your future. I encourage you to make the right choice. Making the right choice, you must ensure that procrastination, I repeat again, is not part of your gene. Definitely there are ups and downs in life. But for how long will you continue to sober? For how long will you continue to make choice of not progressing in life because of what you have gone through? Take what you have gone through as a sacrifice for a greater future. Take what you have gone through as a spring pad for you to catapult you to the next level. Make the right choice today. Make the right choice today by getting out of your bed and making a good choice. Make the right choice today by making a good decision. Make the right choice today by living a positive and a healthy lifestyle. Make the right choice today by saying no to negativity. Make the right choice today by telling yourself, I'm not going to give up. I will make it. Make the right choice today by ensuring once you wake up in the morning, you make a bold declaration that you are successful. If you can make it, if A and B can make it, if Dangote can be successful today, if Adina can be successful today, if as young as Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook and the owner of Instagram, can be successful, why can't you be successful? You can be successful if you are ready to leave your comfort zone. The problem is that most of us, we are ready to enjoy. No, enjoyment will always come. But you must learn to sacrifice. You must learn to leave your comfort zone. That is the only way you are sure of making it. Yeah, don't forget, no pain, no gain. No sacrifice. You can't make a lot of huge impact. Take this today. For you to be comfortable in life, whatever you build for your future tomorrow, it depends on your ability for you to leave your comfort zone. You are not expected to be doing the same thing all time and you are expecting a different result. You do not expect your life to be an autopilot and you expect to get a different result. Take decision. Make the right choice today. Make the right decision. Don't give up. Remember, those who give up do not reap. But those who hold on, those who persevere, those who leave their comfort zone, they always enjoy the yield of their labor. I encourage you today, make the right choice. Make the right choice to be positive. Make the right choice to make the good decision. Make the right choice to be successful. Make the right choice to climb the ladder of success. Do not wait for any person. Human being always fails. It's only God and you cannot fail yourself. Be an architect of greatness and be an architect of right choices. Make the right choice today and be successful. Thank you. We are grateful.